In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Google Docs settings by turning off Grammarly, ensuring a smoother and more personalized editing experience. Whether Grammarly isn't fitting into your workflow or you simply want a different editing approach, I'll guide you through this process step by step. So let's get started and make your document editing as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Docs. If you haven't already done so, you can easily sign into your Google account to access all your documents. Google Docs is a versatile and convenient tool for all your writing needs, providing a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and edit documents right from your browser with no hassle. Once you navigate over to Google Docs and have your document open, take a glance towards the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where the Grammarly icon generally resides. Grammarly, as you might already know, serves as a fantastic tool for catching spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, and even style improvements. However, sometimes its suggestions might not align perfectly with your personal writing style or the specific requirements of a document you're working on. That's why knowing how to turn it off can be just as crucial as using it. To disable Grammarly, simply click on that icon nestled at the bottom right. Once you do, you'll see a small menu pop up with various options. Look for the option that says Turn off Grammarly and click on it. This action will temporarily disable Grammarly's AI-driven suggestions, allowing you to go about your writing without any additional input or distractions. This is particularly useful when you're confident in your writing ability or when you need to adhere strictly to a particular style without external suggestions potentially influencing your work. And that's it. You're done with the process. You've successfully turned off Grammarly in Google Docs, giving you full control over your document's content without external editing interference. If at any time you feel the need to turn Grammarly back on, you can simply revisit the same icon and enable it again. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. It's always beneficial to be fully in charge of your writing environment and to tailor it to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or anyone in between, having these tools at your disposal and manipulating them effectively can enhance your overall productivity. Thanks for tuning in and happy writing.